What's up everybody? I just got a quick look at a item that I bought for my work computer, which is a MacBook Air with an external monitor. So I was looking for something where I could use the trackpad. I like using the trackpad for gestures, swiping, opening up the launch pad, things like that. But I also use a magic mouse as well. So I didn't want to have the trackpad and the magic mouse and the keyboard all over. So I like a cleaner, simplified desk area, minimalist, if you will. So I ordered this from Amazon. I'll have the link below in the description. But this is from a company called Geekynerddad. They make a bunch of different docking systems. This version is called the Clique, or Clique, or Clique. So it's a pretty simple product. As you see, the box, there's nothing really much to it. The actual product, there isn't much to it either. It's a plastic, I hate to say it feels cheap, but it does. But once you put the keypad, the keyboard and the trackpad in there, it really stiffens it up nicely. It just clips in. And then the power buttons are actually, this side you can get to it, but the keyboard, it's on this side. So they put in a little tab, a little button to actually control it on and off. Personally, I leave mine on all the time. Let's take a look. Let me put the box. See, in the box, it just gives you instructions on how to click everything in. Pretty self-explanatory. We'll do the trackpad first. Like I said, extremely simple. This one just slides in. I had a little bit more trouble with the keypad or the keyboard when I first tried this, but we'll give it a shot and see if maybe it was just me the first time out. A lot tighter fit than the trackpad. Still not too bad, but it looks nice. Like I said, once you have these in here, it definitely stiffens the product up and doesn't feel as cheap. But there you go, you're able to get, sort of gives it a nice clean look. I know there's some products, I believe, they have where this whole piece is aluminum looking. I don't know if it's actual aluminum or just a painted plastic surface. I like this one. I've been using it for, I guess, 2 or 3 days now, and I find no issue with it whatsoever. There's not much that could actually go wrong with it, or that could be wrong with it. Once the items are fit in, there's nothing more to do. But just a simple little look. Like I said, it's the Clique, or Clique, C-L-I-Q-U-E, Geekynerddad. Again, the link will be below. And don't forget to like and share. Peace.